we have regionals this Friday, so the top 4 players will be making it to regionals, and they will compete against 8 other teams, and the top 3 teams will go to Denver for the CSMA Unified Bowling State Championship. It's love just being with other students. I mean, that's the key. Unified, meaning being together with others, is great.
All right, so what is Unified Sports?
Unified Sports is students with intellectual disabilities that partner up with general education students that participate in sports. Right now at Coronado we have 3 sports. First we start with bowling, Unified Bowling, then it moves to Unified Basketball, and then we have Unified Track at the end of the season.
Unified Track, I did not know that.
Yes, we have Unified Track. They run 2 events so far. We're in our 3rd year of Unified, so it's like we're going to expand. So right now we do, like for track, it's the 100-yard dash and the long jump. Basketball, of course, we play in between the JV and the varsity basketball games. We play all the other local high schools that have a unified team as much as possible. So it's a lot of fun.
Cool.
Okay.
In 3rd place, with a combined score of 472 points, please give it up for the Cougars from
All right, here we go.
Oh my gosh, the tunnel was so special. So like one of our things that we would love to see is like our unified students being included, so being inclusive. And so having teachers and admin and students make a tunnel to our bus to cheer us on to go to state, like, makes me emotional right now. Like, it was just something very special for our students, and I felt like they loved it. They felt important, they felt seen, they felt heard. and they felt included, and that was like what's most important. So that tunnel meant a lot to the students, and it meant a lot to me.
We played the best they've ever played. They really rallied, they really played together as a team.
There was 29 teams, and we took top 6, and so I think that was just special for our kids. Like, yes, you want to be first place, but even at, taking 6, our students were excited. But seeing how excited our students get for getting a strike or helping their teammates, we call it cleaning it up. They just get so excited to, go out there and bowl and have fun and be cheered on. So seeing them excited, that's what makes me happy.
So what'd you think of today?
Good.
That was good. So you're a senior now.
Right.
Are you sad that was your last time bowling?
Yeah.
I get it.
It takes heart and passion to work with our students. Like, it is different, it is difficult at times, but it's also so rewarding. Like, you make long life friendships with these students. If you could only help us one game, our students are gonna remember you all 4 years or however long it is. Like, our students make connections with you and you make connections with them, and it's just very humbling. They're funny, they're just amazing students, and just to give them a chance and to interact with them is great. And then it's one thing to say hi and do other things, but like when you're doing unified sports and they get a strike or they make a basket, or like in track and field when they're doing their 100-yard dash or whatever, they're so excited to be out there and doing these things, and they just love the excitement that you can share with them. So it's a very humbling experience, and it's really neat to be a part of. Like, it's a really good community, and so I think everybody should do it. Everybody should help however can help with our students or any student.